to successfully solve the big idea problem. So what is the big idea problem? You have a spring, and you have a ball. You have a ball on the top of the spring. Okay, so you have a similar spring is sitting next to this one, and I'm gonna just copy and paste this. This is the similar spring. Okay, this is the exactly same spring. Now the location of the ball, however, changes. Location of the ball is now ball is at different location. The ball is now on the top, almost on the top of the let me copy and paste again, and I hope to get it over here. Okay, so the ball is almost at the top of the spring. So what happened when ball is at the top of the spring? We're going to discuss it in a second. Now let's consider the scenario number 3 when the ball is right here, right here. The ball is right here. Well, I cannot bring the ball, so I'm just going to go ahead and draw the ball. Same ball. Okay, so 2.6 kilogram ball falls from 55 centimeter above the ground on a spring and compress it 15 centimeter. Find the spring constant. All right, so 2.6 kilograms. So we know the mass of the ball 2.6 kilogram. We also know the height. Height is 55 centimeter. We also know how much it compressed. It compressed 15 centimeter. We also know well, this is enough information to solve this problem. We know that right here we're gonna be able to write that potential energy, so which is mgh. We should be able to know also whether you have half mv square over here, half mv square over here, and half mv square over here, and finally you should be able to know whether you have half kx square over here, half kx square over here, and half kx square over here. Now I'm going to just give you the idea of this one, how to solve this one. This one you do not have half kx square. Why? Because the ball did not touch the spring. How can you have a spring potential energy when the ball and a spring are not touching each other? This one does not have a velocity. The ball is still at rest. It does not have velocity simply because ball is still at rest. It has a potential energy because it has a height. Okay, so by using this understanding you should be able to finish the big idea problem. Good luck.